Just pays the smaller ones. The Arc de Triomphe in the Tuileries. Horses of Marley, maybe. I'm not sure if these are Marleys also. And the lines waiting to get into the Louvre. Here they come. Straight across. I don't know the names, but that's the entrance to the Louvre. It used to be straight across.
Get some cruise information.
Mark? The Denon has the, and here's my own, stop Jennifer, stop and look at me. Here's my own little Mona Lisa. See that smile? Okay, this one. International Office Council customers, ICI, restoration here. That is the front of a boat. Wing Victory was built onto the front of a boat, but not so much to ram things as much to show the power and might of Greece. It's actually Greek. That goes back into the Greek days, Mark. Where are we now? What is this stuff called? This is the opera stop, right? Going to where? The Invalid stop?
Dad, you're taping in a subway. Now this is unique.
Boys.
That one's good.
Hello, ladies. Bonjour. That's the tomb of Napoleon is underneath that dome. And that's the Hotel d'Invalide, the hospital of the wounded soldiers. Football game in Paris, folks. Right up into the very dark in here, but this is the tomb of Napoleon. Too dark to see anything. This is Napoleon's tomb, Mark. What is that? That's sort of the altar, I guess, right? Well, you're going to get me, or are you just going to get...
Get you.
Okay. I will do it for you, Marcus. Well, we didn't come to Napoleon's area yet. We're in the Museum of the Army here. I didn't find this. Jennifer, I want you to tell me what this is. What is that?
Suit of armor.
It's what?
Suit of
Who wore it? Who wore it? You don't know?
I tell her Massaggio.
Who?
Him.
There? Horse of the pit. Nice, Jennifer. Don't hurt him.
The end. Big brandy.
He's been brandied?
Brandy. Oh my gosh, look at that.
What?
Oh.
Describe it.
It is a...
Walk over to it. Walk over to it.
I forgot what it's called though.
Walk over to it and describe it.
I forgot what they're called, where you put your feet.
How about stirrups?
Stir up, yeah. Stir it up.
Stir it up?
Where's the saddle? The royal saddle. Nice and padded. I like that kind. Look at this royal hat.
What's wrong? Get you? A double-decker train going to the Eiffel Tower. Mark. Mark, where'd you come from?
What?
Where'd you come from?
What?
Never first.
What is going to happen to me the next year is in the middle of the year we're going back to the States. Atlanta, Georgia.
And what happens to me next year is I'm going to live with my dad down in South America, Panama.
Now, would you like to listen to this so that you're able to determine if anybody else could understand what the two of you just said?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try it. Say the same thing you said and say it slowly and clearly, both of you.
What did I say
And loudly
now?
project.
I don't even know what I said now.
Try it anyway.
What did I say? In the middle of next year, I'm going back to Atlanta, Georgia.
Good. And what did you say, Tiffany?
At the end of the school year, when school is over, I am going to Panama to live with my dad.
You're going to live in the country or the city?
I don't know.
What is the name of the city in Panama? Because Panama is a country. Yeah. Cute girl.
You know her?
What is her name?
Frau Hase.
That's Frau Hase?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hi, Frau Hase.
And this is Snuffles.
Snuffles.
He's 2 days old.
Oh, he's just a baby, huh?
He's 5 years old. So that means in rabbit years, he's 30 years old.
Rabbit is how many years for 1 year?
6.
That's my phone.
Anybody home?
No. Can you have it? Wait.
Ooh, Jennifer, you're smacking it.
Ooh,
It's so close.